Hey guys, I went back to another quick phone video. So finally I got this phone in the office, guys. This is the ZTE Blade X1 5G. So this is the most affordable 5G phone that Visible Wireless has. If you guys don't know, Visible Wireless is basically one of those carriers that uses Verizon's network. So it's basically what Cricket Wireless is to AT&T. So it's not really an MVNO. This is backed by Verizon, which is great. So this is kind of their, like I said, this is Visible Wireless came out to kind of compete with Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, and Cricket Wireless, Boost Mobile, and all that good stuff. So pretty cool. So what's cool about Visible Wireless, guys, is it uses Verizon's network, and it's all unlimited for only $40 a month. I will have a referral link in the description below, so check that out if you want to take a look at Visible Wireless. Like I said, this phone is very nice. I'm excited. I finally got it today, and I'm excited to unbox it for you. And later on, we'll do reviews and gaming reviews and all that good stuff. But right now, we're looking at the phone. So let me tell you a little bit of specs for this phone. That way you can kind of see how good it is. So this is the 5G variant. It's 128 gigabytes of internal storage, guys. This phone retails for $384, which is very cheap, under $400 for a 5G device. Is really good. Now you can, what's cool with Visible Wireless is you can do monthly payments as low as $16 a month, guys. 0% interest, which is great as well. The key specs is it has a 6.5 full HD plus with a hole punch camera. It's a 2340 by 1080, so it is a 1080p display, which is great. It comes in at 190 grams. Does have Android 10. Now it does have different cameras. It's gonna have a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel AI quad rear cameras. The front's a 16 megapixel. So you're getting 4 cameras in the back and 1 in the front, guys. The processor is good. It's a 765G octa-core 2.4 gigahertz. Like I said, 128 gigs with expandable up to 2 terabytes. The battery is really big at 4,000 milliamps. Supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 with wicked fast charging, fingerprint sensor in the back, and this is 5G sub 6 gigahertz. So wow, pretty cool. Like I said, guys, I'm very excited to test this phone out, and I'm gonna make a lot more videos. But let's get to the fun part of doing the unboxing now for you guys. Oh, and another thing, once you get this phone from Visible Wireless, it's pretty cool, guys. Check this out. They'll send you a SIM card with it. It says we put the SIM in simple. Very nice. Super easy activate in activation instructions on visible.com/activate. So nice little SIM card, guys. I do like that. So let's get into the phone. Ooh, I'm very excited. So you do get kind of like a little starter guide, guys. If you open this up, that's a little quick starter guide there for you. Nobody really reads them, but it's nice that, you do get one just in case. So, wow, here is the phone. Check it out. Blade X1 5G. It says, welcome to your new 5G phone. I'm very excited. Like I said, 5G is new technology. I'm going to test it out. Like I said, Visible Wireless is known to be, you don't get the full priority of the network on Verizon, so you will be kind of slower speeds. But with 5G, I'm going to test it out, and you can check out the coverage map on Visible's website. I should be getting 5G in my house, so we'll test it out. But it says instructions. Oh, installing nano SIM cards and micro SD cards. So pretty cool. So it tells you right here how it's one tray, and you can put a micro or a nano SIM and a micro SD card as well. So it's pretty cool. We'll get to the phone in just a little bit, but let's see what we get in here. You have 2 little slots. Most likely going to be your chargers. Hey, so there's one charger right there. So that's, yep. So there's the charger right there, guys. So it is a Type-C, as you can see, which is nice. USB to Type-C instead of being a Type-C to a Type-C like, newer Samsungs. And in here, I'm guessing it's going to be the brick. So no cases or anything like that, guys. And yep. And check it out, you do get the 3.0 quick charge. So it's pretty cool. You do get the quick charge adapter. So it's nice, you don't have to buy it. It comes with it. Very excited to go ahead and... Alright guys, so now that we have the phone set aside and everything inside, and this is, like I said, what you get inside. So let's go ahead and pop it out of this little sleeve and see the phone. Whoa. Look at this thing, guys. This phone is beautiful, very big, 6.5-inch display. So let's get into it. You do get your front-facing camera on the top. So there it is on the top. I believe that's a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. You do get your earpiece here. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button on the right side. On the left side, you don't have anything. Now check this out, guys. I just noticed this. It's pretty cool. It's like almost indented on the top. So this is your SIM card tray. So this is where your SIM card slot will be and your micro SD card. You take it out and like I say, you can put the micro SD card in there. So pretty cool, but I do like that feature. I've never seen that. It's just nice to have, I guess. On the bottom, you do have, which is nice, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Very rare to see, especially in 2021. You have your charging port right here. And then you do have a bottom firing speaker, guys. Not too sure it's going to have the surround sound where it has the bottom and the front going at the same time. I guess we'll see more of that in a little bit. In the back, guys, whoa, look at that. You do have the quad camera setup. So you do have the 4 cameras, a flash, and a fingerprint sensor right there. And then on the bottom, you do have Blade, which is really nice. And like I said, ZTE is definitely coming back. Like I said, for the price of this phone, guys, under $400 is really nice. And especially on Visible Wireless's network. Like I said, check it out in the description below. I will have a referral link if you want to check out Visible Wireless. But let's get to turn on the phone and see what it looks like. First time turning on, first boot up. Very excited. Let's check it out. And I like that it says, whoa. Wow. Is that not the most beautiful like startup screen you've ever seen? That's crazy. I've never seen that. So, wow. But let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and pop the SIM card in here and activate it. And we'll come back once it's ready, guys. So, give me one sec. Alright, guys. So, here it is. Now I'm done setting everything up. I logged into some stuff. So setup, swipe. God, it's a wow. Very fast, very smooth. It's not 120 hertz or anything like that, but still very nice. So here it is, guys. Very simple. Still haven't downloaded the Visible Wireless app or made an account or anything like that, but it's pretty nice. So calling, texting, internet, camera, Google Photos. So this is going to be more like kind of Motorola Google Phone. It uses Google Photos. Play Store, contacts, swipe up. Here's the rest of the apps. So like I say, you really don't get many apps. You do get an FM radio, which is nice, but here's all the apps that it comes with. So pretty decent, I would say. Swipe this down. So here it is, guys. So this is basically it. I'll turn that off. Don't have any service yet, because I have to activate the phone. And have a number porting in and all that stuff. So pretty cool. Screenshot, power saver mode. You do have auto rotate. So I do like the auto rotate, night light hotspot, which is nice. On Visible Wireless, hotspot is totally unlimited, real unlimited, but it is throttled at 5 megabits per second down, I believe, and you can only have one item connected. It does have a screen recorder, which is really nice, especially in this type of business. DTS sound and sync. So let's go to settings. And let's see where the storage. So there's the storage, guys. You have 113 gigabytes free out of the 128 gigs that this phone has. So Android 10.0. So pretty sweet. But overall, it's pretty nice, guys. Like I said, hopefully it activates. I have to get it activated in just a little bit. But as you can see, I've seen 5G up there, so it does fluctuate between 4G and 5G here in my house. I must just be in the brink of it, but maybe once I activate it and get it working, it will work. So pretty excited for it. Hopefully everything works out, guys. Like I said, I'll go ahead and try to get it activated and see how that goes. So let's look at the camera real quick. So whoa, so here's the camera settings here. It does have portrait mode. So very nice. Ooh, it does have effects as so well. Look at that. Wow. It does have the night. So night mode. So bokeh Wow. Whoa, this is a real good camera. You can even change how much of the bokeh you want. So, wow. This camera's actually really good for the price, man. I'm definitely going to keep this phone for sure. Video mode as well. More. There's different things here. Manual, panorama, mono, document, slow motion, time lapse, and micro. So it's pretty cool. So let's get back to the camera. So there's the photo mode. Sorry, I had to go attend something. Wow, it seems it does have HDR, which is nice. Pretty cool. So does zoom in quite a bit. Whoa. 10 times zoom, so pretty sweet, I must say. So like I said, I'm gonna test it out and see how well it goes. And I don't know if you can see, but there's the 5G. So very excited to play with this phone, guys. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get this fully activated, and then we'll come back here and see how it goes. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below for a lot of links and support the channel. Giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, sharing it. Thank you, guys. This is the ZTE Blade X1 5G by Visible Wireless. So thank you.